We all must have observed priests uttering the word Swaha at the end of each mantra. Whenever there is a yagna performed, it is considered to be incomplete without saying Swaha in the end. During a yagna, various gods are invoked by offering food and other items to the sacrificial fire. The fire consumes it and sends it across to the respective gods. In Hinduism, Agni is known to be the god of fire. He is one of the Vedic gods who was considered among the supreme gods during that era. He was the twin brother of Indra and was married to goddess Swaha. Now let us learn about this story in detail. During the early stages of creation, the gods were facing a bit of trouble since there was no provision for them to consume food. This was making them weak. This is when Brahma did penance to please God Adi Shakti. He asked her for a solution. The goddess declared that during the yagnas conducted by humans, all that will be offered to the holy fire shall become food for the gods. However, Agni could not do this alone. This is when the goddess in the form of Swaha decided to become his consort. With Swaha coexisting with Agni, he was able to consume the offerings and pass it on to the gods. Swaha became his energy and it was made mandatory to call on Swaha during the end of the worship. Only when Swaha was invoked, Agni was able to consume all the offerings. Now let us learn about their love story. Swaha was the daughter of Prajapati Daksh and Queen Prasuti. Once when she was roaming in the forest, she happened to see Lord Agni. She was completely smitten by him and fell in love with him immediately. Agni, on the other hand, did not notice her. Agni during that time was attracted to wives of 7 Saptarishis. These wives were the heavenly Kritikas who were known for their beauty. Despite knowing that they were married, Agni could not stop thinking of them. Once Agni attended a yagna. The Saptarishis and their wives had also come to this yagna. Agni fell in love with them, but he knew that none of them would cheat on their husbands. Dejected, Agni wandered around in the forest. Swaha, the daughter of Daksh, had wanted to marry Agni for a long time. She took advantage of this opportunity and disguised herself as the wife of Angiras. Disguised as the wife of Angiras, she was able to seduce Agni. Swaha then went on to disguise herself as 6 of the wives of the Saptarishis. However, when she tried to take the form of Arundhati, Vashisht's wife, and seduced Agni, Agni realized it was a trick. This is because Arundhati is really devoted to Vashisht. Agni said to Swaha, "Thanks to you, I was able to fulfill my desire of making love with the wives of the Saptarishis without breaking the rules of marriage. I am very pleased with you and wish to have you as my wife," Agni said. Swaha was really happy and accepted the proposal. Agni and Swaha were then married. Agni declared that in a yagna he would not accept an offering unless the name Swaha was uttered. That is why priests say Swaha before pouring anything into the fire. Thank you so much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such interesting content.